Hello everyone, this is Ankush Sharma and today's date is 16th May 2024 and today's my topic is based on technical which is core Java and I choose the topic, the name is conditional statement in Java. So first of all, we'll discuss the conditional statement in Java. So these are the statements where we can make decisions or take control on the code which we had the provided by the user. So in conditional statement we have if else if, like nested loops, and after that we have the switch statement. So let's start with the if statement. So if statement, the syntax is if, then in the parenthesis we write the conditions, and after that in between the curly braces we write the logical part, or we can say the block of code. So when our condition is gets true, then only the thread goes to the if statement. So the if statement's work is purely, like primarily it is used for if our condition is true, then only the thread will comes into the that block of statement, otherwise it will not go. And after that we have if else. So what is if else? Like the statement, first we will discuss the statement. So statement is if, then the condition and the block of code. After that we have else and also the block of code. So if statement, first, like if our condition or the, like whatever we are writing, if that is true, then only it will goes into the if block, or if it is false, then it will directly goes into the else block of code. So the primarily use of if else, if our one condition is, only there is a one condition, okay. So if one is right, then it will go to the if statement, or if it is false, then it will go to the else statement. So this is the primary use of if else. Then we can also use the nested if else. So what nested if else, let's discuss. If we are using it again and again, like if I am writing if condition, then else if. So when I will write else if my condition is goes again and again, if it has like n number of chances to execute, so I will use the if else if statement. Also we can say that the nested if else. So the statement is very easy. First we'll write the if, then in the parenthesis we'll write the condition, what I want to make decisions or control on the that specific code. After that we have the block of code, that if statement, and if it is our condition is going false, then it will goes into the else if part. So I said earlier that if is a true condition and else is a false condition, but if I am using the if else if, so it means I am just checking my conditions is again and again, till it goes to the true or it goes to the false. So if condition block of code, again else if the condition block of code, or if I am thinking that only two else if will work for this code, then after that I will write the else block of code. But if I am thinking that it wants more else if, then I will provide more else if. It is very simple, is there only the conditions and the block of code, what I am logically operating on that variable or on that code. So I will just write the code of there. So now after that we have another conditional statement, that is switch case. So switch case, it is very easy, or if we having the various type of conditions, and if I want to just work on single condition, then I will use the switch code. So its syntax is also very easy. The switch, the keyword, we all know the keyword in Java. Switch is also a keyword, and we use it for the conditional statement. So switch, after switch we have parenthesis, and that parenthesis we just need to pass the case number or the value or whatever I am writing in the main method. So I just need to provide the case number or whatever is that. So I will it is just syntax is very easy. Switch the case number and the block of code will start from there. But it is very important to having a break or continue state keyword in the switch case, because if we are not using the break keyword, then it will goes again. So it is very important to stop that. So break keyword we use to terminate the loop, or the also we can use the continue. If you want to continue our loop, then we will use the continue keyword. If you want to break the loop, then we will use the break keyword. So okay, after that it means we are terminating the loop, or we are just satisfying with the like that condition. So it will just getting back and just calling to the caller. So this is very easy switch case. So this was the conditional statement. If like if else, nested if else, and the switch case. So these are the conditional statements which we can use for make decisions on the certain conditions which we want to operate on the code. Okay, so this was my today's topic. I hope I have clarified that properly. Thank you.